This is Science Week 34, Day 1, and it is more review, and you can probably guess from the picture that we're going to be talking about force and energy and things like that. So our learning target for this is I can construct an explanation to describe the relationship between energy and the speed of an object. You're going to start off with two different videos of skateboarders going down these ramps that are angled slightly differently. And you're going to think about the question, which skateboarder has more energy, and how do you know that? And then you're going to be able to play with a virtual skateboarder, which is really fun, but it's really important over here at this side where it says watch the teacher video first. Watch that video first so that you can set your simulator up the right way. And then you might notice that you have a little red circle, which again you're going to move to answer the question, which part of the ramp did you place your skateboarder for her to go the fastest? You're going to continue with that simulator. And this time you're going to say what position does your skateboarder have the most stored or potential energy before she moves. So you're going to again circle the answer that you think is correct there. And then you're making a claim. So the claim is the higher or lower you're going to decide the skateboarder is on the ramp, the more energy she has, and therefore the faster or slower she will travel. So we're looking for where she'll have the most energy. You're going to move those circles over to higher or lower, or faster or slower. And then, as has been the pattern for the last few weeks, there's a teacher video that you can watch and check your answers. Have fun with this.